Can I open it? What is that?
Shoes.
Lainey, how'd you know?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll give this to Lainey. Yep.
More.
Oh, wow. What's on there? What was on there? What's this guy? What is it? Pup pup.
Papa. Yeah.
Say Spidey.
Yeah. Mimi. Mimi.
This is for Case. This is for Case. Look.
Mom.
Oh, I bet they're gonna fit. Meredith, can you help him put those on?
Yeah, sure.
You'll put them on?
Yeah.
They fit. Yeah, they fit, buddy.
Oh yeah, they're not too awful, babe.
Oh, can I have a knife?
They're pretty good.
They look pretty good. Do you like them?
Mom.
Can I open that flower?
Hold on. Yeah, of course. In a minute. It's all for Case.
Do you like this?
Yeah.
What are these? Robots.
Yeah.
Can you say thank you? Thank you, Lindsay. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.